So we'll be logging into the Zonal leaders dashboard now. So we'll see how it works and function. So I will input. I've already saved the login details, so that's fine. Okay, here's the dashboard for the zonal leader. You can see that the zonal leader can also submit attendance should in case the cell leader, for one or two reasons, um, cannot send the attendance via the platform. The zonal leader can aid in doing that also. You can see the zonal leader dashboard. It sees the total numbers of home fellowship members in that zone, number of new converts for that's the number of new converts, the attendance rate, retention. So this is his dashboard. Then let's go over to attendance. Okay, I've talked about attendance. The same way the cell leader sends attendance, the same way uh, the zonal leader sends his attendance. But the zonal leader has opportunity to select the cell. But on the cell leader level, the cell leader cannot submit for another cell, but the zonal leader can submit attendance for another cell. So you have to note this different. If you're a zonal leader, you can submit attendance for another cell. You can also notify them to submit their attendance. So let's say you want to submit for Hope cell. You pick the dates. Actually, home cell held on 23rd of May. The first time was, let's say, 5. The new convert, let's say, 3. Then you select the names, the members on that home function, the ones that were in attendance that very week, and you submit the attendance. You can see attendance submitted. Then you can also add members the same way you add members on the cell leader level. You can also add members there. Add new member. You can select the cell. Okay, so you can watch the um in the cell leaders level. I demonstrated how members can be added. They want the same thing with new convert too, but there's one significant thing I want to show you here now. How to add fellowship cells. Let's say someone created a new fellowship and you want to create their own attendance system for them. So you create a new cell for them. Okay, create, let's say, elevate. That's the name, elevate cell number 5, Akin address. Then you can select a leader from registered members. It's either the host or someone else. So I'm using Paul Ruby as the leader. The meeting time Tuesday. We all know that meeting time Tuesday 8 and 6 p.m. Then if the host is different from the leader, you can put the host name here. Then after that, you create a sales center from here. You can see now this cell now is created and it's now under this zone. Okay, it's now under this zone. You can see it here. Okay, that's the one. Elevate. This is the home cell. The leader was the person I selected. You can see that. So here's a compliance tab. You can remind the persons that have not sent the attendance to send it in. So you can easily remind them to send in their attendance for the week by clicking this button. Okay, you click the button to remind them. That very feature is still a work in progress, but it should be done shortly. And also note your attendance will be sent within 5 days after the whole fellowship. If you try to do it after 5 days, it won't work for that week again. So you have to make sure you send in the attendance very early. You can see these are all the home fellowship under this zone. Okay.